Hi, welcome back to my channel Infinity for UPSC. I had already mentioned to you that stars which are very huge cannot be made up of a solid body or a liquid body. Stars which are very huge must be made up of gaseous substance. Why so? Now this is the composition of a solid body. These are the arrangements of a solid body. These are the molecules that we see within it. Now this is how the molecules are arranged in a solid body. This is how it is arranged in a liquid body, and this is how it is in a gaseous substance. Now here we can see that the molecules are very tightly packed and there is no space between them. Here we see some space between them. There is some sort of movement which is possible here. Now when you look here, the molecules are very far away from each other. That is, there is a scope for movement. So that is one thing that you need to focus, that is the arrangement of the molecules in each of these cases. Here tightly packed, less tightly packed, and very loosely packed. Now next thing that you need to understand here is that why a solid body is called so. Solid in the sense a fixed shape. Solid, the name itself is given on the basis of the fixed shape that it occupies. Now take the case of a planet, or you can assume it to be a ball. So if this is a ball, what is the criteria for this ball to exist in this way itself? If you want this ball to exist in this way, the central molecules should be so capable that it is able to hold all the molecules which are lying on the boundary. That is, if the central molecule is not able to hold the molecules which are lying here, these molecules will fall off. Okay, and if these molecules will fall off, these molecules will not be part of this body and this body will lose its shape. That is, it will not appear to be a ball or a planet anymore if it loses the shape or if it loses some of the molecules. So the essential feature is this molecule should be capable enough to hold all the molecules to itself. That is, the central molecule should be holding the molecule to itself, all the molecules to itself. So this is attracting every other molecule, that is this molecule, this molecule, this molecule, and most importantly the molecules which are lying on the boundary. So if it is not able to hold the boundary, it will lose the boundary and it will lose the shape itself. Now if you come to liquid, what is the speciality of a liquid body? A liquid body doesn't have its own shape. It will take the shape of the container wherein it is placed. So what is happening here? Here the central molecule doesn't have to hold each and every molecule tightly to itself. Obviously there is some sort of attraction and there is some sort of coherence, but that is not to the extent of the coherence which is needed here. Because a correct form or a correct shape is not to be maintained in this case. Suppose you pour some water into a jar. What do you observe there? You observe that the drops are arranging themselves in a linear fashion, and when that row is filled, they arrange themselves vertically one layer above that layer, and here also they are arranging themselves in a linear fashion. So there is a particular way in which the molecules are arranging themselves in case of liquid. Now can you imagine this scenario wherein you're pouring some water into the jar and some drops are arranging themselves here, some are arranging themselves here, and some are hanging here? No, this is not at all possible. Why? Because some sort of coherence is required in case of liquid so that the liquid takes the shape of the container in which it is occupied. So that is the reason I said that even in case of liquid, some sort of coherence is required. But in a gaseous body, this is possible. It will occupy the entire container by spreading out. So that was about liquid. Now if you come to gaseous state, what is the speciality? The molecules are very loosely based, and what is the shape of a gaseous body? There is no shape at all. If you insert some sort of a gaseous substance into a container, it will fill the entire container. That is, it will spread out to such an extent that it occupies the entire container. So that is a speciality of a gaseous substance. So here, is there a requirement for a central molecule to hold everything to itself? No, because there is no need to maintain any proper shape. So I hope you understood the composition of each of these states and how a particular shape is retained or not retained. Now let us come to the case of star. I told you star is very huge, exceptionally huge. It is very huge in the sense it is bigger than the planets. So something which is not even comprehensible to your eyes. So it is that huge. Now if something is that huge, will the central molecule be able to hold all the molecules, that is even the boundary molecules? No. and that is the reason sun cannot be made up of solid or even liquid, because even liquid needs to have some sort of coherence and some sort of attraction, but that is not possible in the case of star because star is exceptionally huge. So that is the reason star is made up of a gaseous substance. I hope you understood the fact. Now here I have mentioned something, that is small planets are usually made up of rock, huge planets are made up of liquid, and very huge planets are made up of a gaseous substance. Now this is important. Reverse is not necessarily true. What does that mean? That means small planets which are made up of rock can also be made up of liquid or gaseous substance, because there is no such criteria that small planets cannot be made up of liquid or gas. It can be made up of all these things. Huge planets, we have mentioned that it is made up of liquid, but gas can also be a possible composition. Very huge planets, it can be made only of gas, not of rock or liquid. So that is the meaning of reverse is not necessarily true. So this is the reason why sun, which is very huge, is made up of a gaseous substance. So that's all from my side for this topic. Please like, share and subscribe this channel if it is helping you, and I'll be back with the next video very soon. Thank you so much.